Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine. Children, so do you enjoying your English videos? Yes. Please let me know if you have any queries. You can ask me in my WhatsApp group. Okay, children. Now let's start. So on behalf of Jetkin International School, I welcome you all. And today we are going to study. We are going to see the lesson number 3. Okay, what is the name of the lesson? Yes, 3. That is the Brave Tailor. Now, in that, we are going to study about the writing skill, children. It means writing part, that is the letter part. Okay, children, excited? You want to know how to write letter? Yes, let's see, children. Letter writing. Okay, letter writing is a very important part of English grammar, children. There are two types of letter, if you will see, children, we are going to study today. That is, first one is the formal letter and the second one is the informal letter. Okay, children, now what do you mean by formal letter and what do you mean by informal letter? Let's see. Yes, formal letter, if you will see, children, they are written for official or professional communication. Formal letters are written for official or professional communication. Yes, children, we write formal letters to principal, to the class teacher, newspaper editor, etc. Okay, so formal letter, listen carefully, understand it very well because this is very important. Formal letters are written for official or professional communication. Okay, so we write formal letter to principal, to the class teacher, newspaper editor, for any business, if we are having any business related business letter if you want to give, you can write in that also. So these are called a formal letter where we are talking formally. We can't how we are talking with our friends, our relatives, hi, hello, how are you, like that we can't talk. We have to talk formally. Okay, children, let's see the second one, that is the informal letter. Yes, children, if you will see, yes, children, informal letter. Yes, informal letters are written to friends and relatives for personal communication. Okay, children, we write informal letter to our friends. Yes, to our friends, relatives. Okay, children. So, informal letter basically they are written to friends and relatives. Children, we are writing some letters to our friends. Okay, when they are not with us, they are very far from us. So, we are writing letters. Nowadays, we are using mobile phones. So, there is a decrease in writing letters. Okay, children, but when we want to say something to our friend secretly, or what we can say, the fun of writing letter is different, children. When we write letter, we improve our writing skills, children. Okay, children, so yes, after teaching you this letter, what you have to do, you have to write letter, whether you want to write formal letter or informal letter. Okay, so in this video we are going to study about the format of informal letter. As you can see your textbook, the Brave Tailor, in that you will see the last page of the lesson. There is one writing skills, children. Yes, we have to write the letter, and this letter is informal letter. Right now I told you what do you mean by informal letter. Yes, informal letters, the letters which we write to our relatives, friends. Okay, so what are the format? See, you have to see the format first. You should know what are the formats. Yes, children. If you will see here, children. Yes, just 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Yes. See, children, if you will see the format, everything in English letter writing, we are writing in the left hand side. Children, you know your left hand side, like this is my right hand. But which one is my left hand? This one is my left hand. So you have to write everything, like if this is your notebook, you have to write like this. Okay, you can't write anything in the right hand side. So left hand side we have to start. first we have to write the address of the writer. Who is writing the letter? Suppose I am writing the letter. So my address, ABC Colony, ABC, you will not write ABC Colony, you will write your address, your city name, full address you have to write, children. Like if you will see our school address, Jedkid International School, Pusad, Sandva Manva Road, District Yavatmar. Okay, Taluka Pusad, District Yavatmar. Then you have to put your pin code. After that, leave one line, write date. Date, you have to write date. What is today's date? You have to write date like this. Like today's date is, if we will see, today's date is, now I am shooting the video. So today's date is 1st of August 2020. So I will not write 1st oblique 8 oblique 2020. No, it is not the correct way. You have to write 1st of August AUGUST 2020. Understood? Then I will write the salutation, subscription or salutation. So children, what do you mean by salutation? That is also called greetings. Okay, when we say na, dear Pooja, hello, how are you, dear friend? So that is called salutation or greeting. So we will say, dear Pooja, I am writing this letter to dear Pooja. Then we are having body of the letter. Body of the letter is very important in that what we are writing. What is our main topic about what we are writing? It includes that. But it also divided into 3 parts. That is the introduction, main content and conclusion, or we can say end of letter. Okay, so introduction first, we are writing letter, we are not directly coming to the point. We are first introducing. Yes, we are asking, how are you? Hope you all are fine. I am also fine here. We all are missing you. Okay, then main content, you have to tell why you are writing the letter. In that, suppose if I will tell I will tell about myself, that what I have done in this lockdown period. Yes, so that is the main content, and at the end I will write, okay, what actually my conclusion is. Okay, so hope everything will get very fast. All people get, there should be some vaccine so that every people we can go school again and we can enjoy our life as we are enjoying previously. Okay, so first part, para, if you will see, children, it contains a short description. If you will see the second para, it contains a long description, and if you will see the third para, it contains the conclusion. And at the end you have to write the writer name. Like I am writing the letter, so yours lovingly, my name will come. Understood, children? So this is the format of informal letter. Now children, there is one letter in your book, in your textbook, course book. Okay, the last page of your Brave Tailor. If you will see the writing part, the tailor is writing a letter to his mother. Help him complete the sentence. You may also add more lines to the letter. Okay, so very fast we will go through it. Yes, if you are having your book, just open it and see. Dear mother, how are you? I can't wait to tell you that I am about to get married to a beautiful princess. Now we know the story of the Brave Tailor. So here Brave Tailor is writing a letter to her mother, and he is telling, what he is telling, let's see. See children, if you will see here, Brave Tailor, if in your book, the tailor not in the format, he not mention his address, but actually the format of informal letter is address will come at the top. Here it is not there, but it doesn't mean that when you are writing informal letter, you will not write address. You have to write the address in the left hand side at the top. Okay children. Now dear mother, let's see the letter. How are you? I can't wait to tell you that I am about to get married to a beautiful princess. You surely want to know how. Recently, 2 giants had entered our kingdom. So see children, it was the introduction part. Now recently, the second para, that is the main part, it comes, that is recently 2 giants had entered the kingdom, our kingdom. They robbed travelers and created a lot of trouble for us. The king the king blew tired. If you will zoom it, then we will see it properly. Yes, the king grew tired of other mischief. He announced that anyone who caught the giants can request the princess to marry him. So I thought of a clever plan. I made the two giants hurt each other. I even tied them to a tree and had them arrested. The king thanked me and the princess said she wanted to marry me. I still cannot believe that all of this is true. See the third para, that is the ending part, conclusion part. Mother, won't you come over for my wedding? So he is asking to a mother, yes, I shall arrange for a horse carriage for you. I look forward to your blessings on your wedding, our wedding. Your loving son, XYZ. So here the name of Brave Tailor will come, children. Yes. So understood? So hope you understood and enjoy it. Thank you so much.